Hi, this is Ron. We're going to go for another flight of the DJI Mavic Mini here. We're here at the beach. It's kind of near sunset. Clouds are coming in, so we're going to try to get there fast, see if we can get any good little cinematic shot, whatever, of the sunset. So we're going to put this drone down over here and get started. Okay, I've got a GPS signal. I'm not doing a screen recording here, but hopefully I'm doing a drone recording here. So let's take the little Mini off here. Let's see. Let's get the video rolling here. Hold on. Let's see what the. Okay, I'm 2.7K, 30 frames per second. So that sounds good, right? Everybody likes that. So let's start screen recording, and it says takeoff permitted. Okay, we're gonna hold that button down like they show you. So you hold it down, and here the little Mini goes up. Alright, so it's pretty windy down here. I was trying to do a toy drone review, and the toy drone was all over the place. Look at the Mini. The Mini's even fighting the wind there a little bit. Bring it back a little bit, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, she's even fighting a little bit there. I'm going to stop this recording. I'm going to try to get a good picture with this thing here. So let me switch over to photo mode. Photo. Okay, let's see, we're gonna hold it down here a little bit like this, I think. Or maybe we should go all sky. Okay, here we're gonna try to get more sky than ground in here. So let's go to the EV settings. Let's try to do that, and then we're going to lighten up the ground a little bit in software. So let's take this picture here. Okay. Shot here. Maybe I can maybe the angle a little bit. Yeah, that was a pretty good video here. Let me try this on video again. I'm going back to video, people. Video. Still 2.7K and all that, so we're going to keep it at this. Let's try a different EV here. Let's try it. We're going to keep it right here, and we're going to start flying, and we're going to lock it. Okay, there we go. We're 75 feet up, and I'm getting a strong wind warning again here. So I'm aiming it towards the drone here. Not getting any signal problems here. So now we're over the water, so we got strong wind. Alright. Trying to keep it low here. I saw the gimbal click a little bit. Maybe it did. It's kind of a nice picture right there. I'm going to stop the video again and go for a photo. Let's go back to photos. Alrighty. I kind of got the water here and the sun peeking through those clouds. And I'm going to check my EV here. I'm going to take the EV down to a minus a third, and we're going to snap this. And yeah, I'm getting a strong wind warning on the screen. I'm sorry I didn't do a screen recording on this guy, but you know, I didn't intend to be on the air that long. So let's bring this guy back home. You know, I might as well take video on the way back home. Hold on. Let's go back to video. And get more of the sky there than the ground. And let's start the video. Let's bring her back. We still got strong wind warnings. We're in P mode, and I see we're not moving that fast. It's 17, 18 miles per hour because of the wind. I think I'm moving away from myself here. Hold on. What's my battery life look like? 63. Strong winds, fly with caution. So I'm somehow down here actually. Let's come back. My gimbal keeps being pushed down by the wind. Yeah, the wind keeps pushing down my gimbal. I'm almost back. There we go. They won't let my gimbal stay up. Maybe I'd have to put on Cinesmooth to keep the gimbal up. I should have put on sport mode to bring it back, but maybe the video wouldn't have been smooth enough. Okay, if you fly it real slow and the gimbal will stay up, but that wind was shooting the gimbal down. That's something I hadn't seen before in a video. So there we're getting some good color here with this EV. We're in Cinesmooth mode, so the gimbal's holding in there. All right, let's bring this thing back. Oh, there it is. I lost it. It's so small. I lost it for a while. But okay, here the sunset looks like it's even getting better. So let's go for another picture. So we're gonna stop this video and we're gonna try to get a picture. Get back to photo mode. And let's see here. Okay. Kind of like that. Let's get more sky and less ground. So let's see here. Okay, there it is. There's the picture. I like the fact that it doesn't matter if you use the buttons on the app to take photos or video, or if you use the ones on the controller. They can work, you know, back and forth. It doesn't matter. We're on this toy drone I was flying, the Snaptane. If you started off using the you know, the ones on the app, you couldn't use the ones on the control, and vice versa. So this is nice that it does this. So all right, let's bring this baby home. Let's get her out of C mode, get her back in position mode. Should have tried sport mode in this wind, but I was playing havoc with the gimbal just on the alright, we're going to maybe try one more picture here. Low to the ground here. Alright, let's try this here. Alright, I like that. I like that photo a lot, so. And here's where we've been filming this video the whole time. It's probably so dark you can't see us, but sorry for the wild gimbal controls there, but here we are. There we are. With our trusty Hero 7. And our Hyundai Kona in the background. Mavic Mini. So, okay, let's do a Marcus Crawford up and out.